Hi, welcome back, and this really is a quick one. It is a very beginner's guide to Renault T Series. Now, sunny day like today, you're going to bring the Sunblind down, so let's get straight into it. Dead easy. There you go. Right hand side of the radio, this button here. So we're going to bring it down. So there's your blind. Only problem is, with the Renault, both sides are a little bit short. So what do we do about this bit where the sun gets in between the post and the edge of the blind? Well, in their wisdom, press that, and that's supposed to be enough. So it's literally just a push. He's even got push written on it, if I can. There you go. So you've got push written on it. Just push it, drops down, and that's supposed to give you enough shade. Weird design, but there you go. They've thought about it, and that's it. Said it would be a quick one. So you're blind, not big enough. Just push it down. It's both sides as well. Click it back up and adjust your sun blind using that button there. So thanks for watching. If you like what you've seen, please subscribe, click the bell notification button for more, and like I always try and say, catch you later. Thanks for watching.
So